Hi guys, it's Nick from HiFi Collective. Today we have received some new kits from Elekit in Japan. This one is called a TU-8200R. So effectively it's their kind of budgety one. You can use a whole raft of different output tubes on this. It's switchable inside, so you can use the 6L6, EL34, 6550, KT88, so pento tubes effectively. It's got the great feature which I think most Elekits have is you've got a headphone output which actually uses the valve output stage in diluted form, obviously, because you don't need much power for a headphone amp. Also you can change the output stage, you can make it ultra linear and also triode mode. So briefly, Elekit, we had great success with the TU-8600R and the VKR. Unfortunately this kit, they aren't making another batch of these. So we have a couple of the kind of standard kits, but the upgraded Lundell transformer ones we don't have any of. We're just waiting to hear from them. They might be making them again, not sure. So this is how it comes in a box. It weighs 9 keys, so not a heavy amp. I'm going to open her up. Now the great thing about Elekits is how they do the instructions. It's basically not kind of paint by numbers, but there's a lot of pictorial content. So I was amazed at the last one we did. So we're going to build this over a few videos. There you go. Box within a box. Quite old school. Look at that. Reminds me of the old Japanese samurai kind of styly. Let's get in this. So judging by the size of the box, it's not a massive footprint, this kit. So it's all PCB based kind of thing, and luckily I can read Japanese, so this should be fine. Okay, so the instructions they've supplied are in Japanese. I think I've got a copy of the English one, so I'm going to have to go and print them off. So don't worry, we will provide them in English. You get an idea how it's put together. Cool. Anyway, I'm going to have to go off and find the instructions in English. Let me just go through the box. So with this one, they've given you the valves, which is cool. 6L6, so we're going to go for that version. These tubes look to be JJ's, great standard for valve stuff. All your hardware, bits and bobs and resistors. Main transformer, which is Japanese, so we don't really need that one. I look like the output transformers. There's an R-core mains transformer. Quite low, quite small. This is the chassis. Ooh, cutie. Right, empty box. Right, I'm going to go and find the instructions. Cool.